Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best musical products on the market. Today, we're reviewing the BlueJuice BJ2 valve oil, the best valve oil for your trumpet. If you're a trumpet player looking for a product that will enhance your instrument's performance and longevity, stick around because this product might be exactly what you need. The BlueJuice BJ2 valve oil is specifically designed for brass instruments like the trumpet, providing a fast and smooth action that helps you play with ease. This 2 ounces bottle contains high-quality oil that lubricates your trumpet's valves and prevents corrosion, ensuring your valves remain in top condition for longer. Unlike some other oils that might leave a sticky residue, BlueJuice gives a light and fast action, making your valves perform smoothly with minimal effort. One of the best features of the BlueJuice BJ2 valve oil is its petroleum-based formula. This ensures a longer-lasting effect on your instrument, providing optimal performance without frequent reapplication. It's designed to work quickly, allowing you to focus on your music without worrying about your valves sticking or performing sluggishly. The oil's blue color makes it easy to see, so you'll know exactly where to apply it. Whether you're a professional musician or just starting out, this valve oil is perfect for keeping your instrument in peak condition. Regular maintenance with BlueJuice can help reduce wear and tear on your trumpet, ultimately extending its lifespan and improving your overall sound quality. Plus, it's easy to use. Simply apply a small amount of oil to the valve casing, and you'll be good to go. At just $10.21, BlueJuice provides an affordable solution to valve maintenance. It's available with free delivery, which is a great added benefit for trumpet players everywhere. Plus, it's returnable until January 31, 2025, which gives you plenty of time to decide if it's the right fit for your needs. In summary, the BlueJuice BJ2 valve oil is a must-have for any trumpet player looking for a reliable and affordable valve oil. It provides smooth, fast action, and protects your instrument from corrosion while enhancing its performance. If you're ready to give your trumpet the care it deserves, this product is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. Keep playing, and we'll see you in the next video.